wine on Saturday night, Celsius on Sunday morning.
Today is Sunday, December 7th, and I am actually getting ready to go and do some cardio. Probably go for a walk on the beach with my lovely wife, Bowflex Bobby.
All right.
You run it?
I don't think so.
You ain't run it?
No.
All right. Yeah, we could go on the beach and we could talk to the people while we walk. How long you walking for?
I don't know. That's a lot of talking.
So I'm having a Celsius.
What's it? The goal is like 30 minutes.